Hello, it is me, 𝓟𝓵𝓪𝓂𝓮, and today, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean a keyboard from the 80s. Alright, so first thing you're gonna need is a keyboard from the 80s or 90s. I honestly don't know what era this keyboard's from. All I know is that that's a B, C, and the second, the C and D and other D broken keys. So yeah, kind of tough, isn't it? Oh yeah, also the second thing you'll need is a fan, and the third thing you'll need is dust. Alright, as you can see here, this keyboard here is very dusty. Alright, so let me get the fan all set up. Alright, so I have the camera a little bit lower so you can now see the keyboard. Also, this is a fan that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this box fan. Now you see, the problem with this box fan that I got from the Walmarts, not the Home Depot because I don't even know if they sell fans. Now you see, the problem with this fan is it goes 0 to 3. Not 0 to 1 to 2, then 3. No. The company who made this thought, you know what would be so funny is if, like, instead of going from 0 to 1, and then to 2, then to 3, let's just go 0 to 3, then to 2, then to the 1. Because we're freaking drug addicts. I swear, that's what the people who designed this fan were thinking. Alright? Now, the people who designed this fan probably never thought that someone would use it to clean a dusty keyboard from the 80s or 90s. I really don't know. But yeah, let's try that. So, let's just get started with full blast. Alright, we're cleaning. Am I doing it the right way? Is this the right way? Let's see. We're cleaning it. Come on, let's clean this. Whoa, it's actually using gravity. I think I need to turn this around. Is this, oh, I was doing it the right way the first time. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's clean this keyboard. Alright. Frick. Yeah, another problem. It kinda doesn't have a long enough plug. Okay, 1 second. Let me just get this plug back in. Alright, that's plugged back in. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, we're cleaning this. Oh yeah, let's get that all clean over here. Is that gonna be clean? I actually don't know if this is gonna work or not. Alright, is this clean? Come on, let's get this clean. Okay. Alright, I should do it. Okay. Alright. There we go. Yeah, as you can see here, let me just adjust this camera. Just get behind it. Okay, that's not the right spot. Okay, there we go. As you can see here, still has some dust on it. Now, where's a good spot? Oh, right here. You see that? You see this? You see this? See that right there? Come on, focus. Yeah, that's dust. The fan kind of didn't work, so let's try the fan again. All right, let's try it again. So yeah, I'll be back with that. All right, let's just zoom out and go back to there. All right. Alright, we're back. This time we're gonna let me just adjust this. Alright, yeah, we're back this time. Back again. Let's retry that. Okay. Can I go like this? Alright. I think what I should do is just rotate the keyboard, alright? I mean, it's not plugged in, so it's not gonna like affect it or anything. It'll hopefully get rid of the dust and tell me if this fan is actually efficient. All right, let's go to full power. Oh yeah, let's get that dusted. Oh yeah, I don't know if you. I think that's gonna fix it. I hope. Is that fixing it? Honestly, I cannot tell if it is fixing it or not. Okay? Alright. Yeah, I don't think this is working. I really don't. Yeah, is that working? Come on, do I have to like literally go like this? Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of noticing, what is it called? The science effects, where like the fan is sort of propelling itself, and actually I don't think that's fixing it. I don't think that's cleaning it. All right, yeah, I don't know what to do to clean it, because the fan is not working, sadly. All right, So, I'm 𝓟𝓵𝓪𝓂𝓵, and I think that's it for this video. Make sure to please like, subscribe, and see you guys in another video. Oh boy, now I have to wash my hands. Yeah, okay. I need to wash my hands because that dust, it's kind of been sitting there for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the fan on again. But yeah. Also check out the Patreon. And yeah. You know that shit. Just subscribe, like, comment down below what you thought of the video. Also, I don't know what else. Oh yeah, go to Patreon. And make sure to check out the Home Depot. Alright, kids? Go check out the Home Depot. Because, you know, that's Soccer Dad's mic, #1 approved store. Don't go to that Lowe's. I mean, they have some low standards. I'm just saying. They have some low standards, alright? They're ran by a bunch of millennials. Alright. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye-bye.